Hello friends, welcome to my channel Solution for Every Problem. Hope you all are doing good in this pandemic situation. Today in this video, I will show you how to get a positive review without getting any project on your Upwork profile. So let's get started. Open any of the browsers in your PC and type in the search bar for Zareklamy Ads. Now go to this first website and sign up. Zareklamy Ads gives you different services like YouTube video views and likes, Instagram followers, Facebook likes, Google reviews, etc. You have to go down and look for an Upwork. Then click on it, fill out the required details like gender, age, the interest of a person, experience, location, title and description, and your Upwork profile link. Then the price per hour, I have chosen $20 for example, and $5 per opinion. write a review by yourself for your profile, and I will suggest you write a review. Daily know of reviews and maximum reviews. After fill out the details, go next and choose the payment method and start getting reviews on your profile. If you need any solution to your problem, comment down in the comments section and we'll make a video on it with the solution. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.